Hey guys, today we have a PR haul and I'm really excited. I have a new brand today that have sent me PR for the first time, which I'm very excited about. So let's get into it. Maylee sent over a parcel. I hope I'm saying that right. I think I am, which is so sweet. How cute is this? So yeah, I'm really excited. They messaged me, they emailed me and asked if I'd like to try out some of their products, and I said yes, and so they sent them over. So the first thing I got is the B Flat Belly Firming Cream. It says it fades the appearance of stretch marks, and it says the belly firming cream is clinically proven to help fade the look of stretch marks and give smoother looking belly skin. Formulated with avocado extract to help diminish the look of stretch marks, shea butter to promote moisturized and supple looking skin, and pink pepper slim to smooth the look of fatty skin. So I'm so excited. Also, how nice is this packaging? It's really like sleek and like it's like soft matte, and I love that. So let's have a look at it. Ooh, it looks very fancy actually. Oh, how pretty is that? Love it. That looks so nice. I really want to smell it. Ooh, I feel like it smells quite nice actually. Yeah, that smells really nice. It smells like fruity or something. It doesn't say like if it has a scent or anything, but it just smells really nice. So cute. So that was the first thing. I'm really excited to try that out. Next, I got the Be Foxy Inner Thigh Firming Cream, and it says Be Foxy is our formidable reshaping cream that helps give a tighter and firmer appearance to the inner thigh area. The key ingredients are clinically proven to microgale to target the look of fatty skin and help give a sculpted look. To tapioca starch to absorb extra moisture in the chafing zone, and coconut oil to help fade the appearance of stretch marks. Keep your thighs on the prize. I'm really excited for this one because I do have quite bad stretch marks on my thighs, and like it's not something that I care about. Like it is, but it isn't. I guess like the thing is, at the end of the day, stretch marks are natural, and who cares? Like it's literally like so amazing that our skin can stretch, and then also like like contract and all that kind of stuff. Like it's natural. I understand all of that, but it's also just like. It's not something that I'm super like insecure about or anything like that, but if I had the choice not to have them, I would choose not to have them. So I'm excited to try this out. It's not something I would have gone out of my way to do. I understand that some people it is a insecurity and things like that, or they feel self-conscious about it. I'm not super like worried, but I am excited to try this out to see if it does actually help. This one's pink, so that's how that one looks. Super exciting. Oh weird, okay. So spread on a thin and even layer of the cream onto clean and dry skin of your inner thigh. Let it set. Do not rub it in. The cream will dry to a powdery soft finish. Use twice a day for best results. Interesting. I want to smell this one too. Oh, okay. This one's like a orangey colour. Yeah. Yum, that smells good too. It is a weird texture. It feels like kind of like a face mask or something. Yeah, so I'm excited to try that one out as well. And then the last thing I got from them was the Get Peachy Booty Scrub. It says Get Peachy is a mask in motion that targets the look of cellulite by offering a deep massage treatment. This mixed particle scrub exfoliates, helps to draw out impurities, and unblocks pores, leaving the skin looking and feeling silky smooth. It says generously apply onto dry skin and use circular massaging motions to rub the scrub into the booty and thigh area for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse off. Cute. So yeah, this might be something that you pop on like before you shower and then jump in the shower and rinse it off, I guess. Oh, that smells really good too. Yum. This smells like almost like a bit strawberry, but like I don't know, really good. Everything smells really good, and they all smell different, which is interesting. And they all smell like super fruity and like fresh. But yeah, so that was everything that Maylee sent me, and I'm really, really excited. So thank you so much. I cannot wait to try these out and let you guys know my thoughts. And then we have a parcel from my loves over at Colourpop, which I'm so excited about. We have the Instant Crush Lip and Cheek Balms. I swear that this is the thing that they sent out at Valentine's time, and I absolutely love that formula. So it says, meet our new hydrating lip and cheek balm in 8 wearable shades for a dewy pop of colour in the cutest clear heart compacts. Our creamy multi-use balm melts into a skin for a wash of buildable dewy colour without feeling greasy. This long-lasting weightless balm blends like a dream for a healthy glowy flush. Just tap onto lips and cheeks with fingertips or a brush for an easy monochromatic look. Infused with Capuca butter and shea butter for moisture. It says it moisturizes and conditions skin. And then berry complex, which nourishes skin and it's rich in antioxidants. So exciting! And they sent over all 8 shades, which was so nice of them. So let's have a look at them. First we have Girls Night. I'm going to take one out so you can see the compact, but I won't like undo all of them. How cute is that? Oh, that's just like the cutest. I actually really love that. So sweet. I want to keep all of them, but if you guys just watch my blush declutter, I absolutely could not keep all of them. Okay, so yeah, first we have Girls Night. It's like a super like, kind of like mauvey, but like bright pink as well. We have Verified. This one looks so pretty. I mean, they all look really nice, but this one's called Larchmont Village. And I really like the look of this one. I don't know if it'd suit me because it's like brown, but so pretty. I mean, obviously it's like a lip balm as well, like lip and cheek balm, so you could use it on your lips, even if you weren't going to use it like on your cheeks. This is Lucky You. This one's Adore You. Oh, see, I have some of these already. Like, some of these shades. I think I've already got this one. Baby Bunny, this one. Second Date. And It's a Look. How pretty are they? Love them. I want to get the ones out that I've already got so I can show you. So, I've got one that's called Heart's Content, which they don't have in here. So that's Heart's Content. Then we have Adore You, which we already have, which also came in here. So I think it's the same shade. Yeah, that's Steph's. Cute. So yeah, I actually love these formulas so much. And I've got one more that I haven't used yet. I've got this one as well, which is called Cutesy Wootsy. So yeah, this is how they looked when they came out, like for Valentine's Day. And then obviously this is how they look for like the regular collection, I guess. So that's Cutesy Wootsy, which is another one of the Valentine's Day ones. Yeah, I actually love this formula. It's so nice and like melts into your skin and it's like buttery. Oh, I don't know, it's just really pretty. Super flattering. So yeah, thank you so much, Colourpop. I'm so excited to have some more shades of that. Oh yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!